Hello, welcome back for another video of Reset My Car. Today I'm going to show you how you can get rid of this range indicator of a Peugeot 207. This one comes from 2009, I think. And in this short video I'm going to show you how you can get rid of that. Okay, let's start right away. First of all, turn the ignition off. Then there are two buttons over here. The 000 button and the plus/minus button. Press and hold the 000 button. And while pressing that, turn the ignition to the second position. Then you'll see a countdown from 10 to 0 and keep it pressed till it reaches 0. And you'll see that the range or the service indicator won't show up anymore. Do the check, turn off, ignition on, and you'll see that the next service is due to 30,000 kilometers. Thanks for watching. That was it for this video. Subscribe, give us a thumbs up if you like, and hope to see you next time in another video. Stay safe, take care, bye bye.